Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove GMC Sierra fog lights. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Gather your essential tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver and a 10 mm socket. For your safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any electrical work on your vehicle. This prevents accidental shorts. Now, to access the fog light assembly, you will need to remove either the front bumper cover or the fender liner. This step provides the necessary space to work. Once you have access, carefully locate the fog light housing situated behind the bumper. Then, gently disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it free from the light. With the electrical connector detached, proceed to unscrew the mounting bolts or release the clips that secure the fog light in place. There are usually 2 or 3 fasteners. Once these are removed, you can gently pull the entire fog light assembly out from its housing. Take a moment to inspect the wiring and the housing for any signs of wear or damage. To install new fog lights, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and bolts are tightened. Once the new lights are in place, reconnect your negative battery terminal and test the lights to confirm they are working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Taking care of your vehicle and your finances are both smart moves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.